Hi guys, coming to you live from my kitchen where my kamita is. I just wanted to show you how much Bram washing machine consumes. Today I'm washing a blanket and I'll just go show you how it is at the moment, but stay tuned. So this is my laundry area. Kidogo sijapanga vizuri lakini tapanga tu hiyo baadaye. Sasa nishaweka blanket yangu. It's only one blanket. This is an 11 kg. It's an 11 kg top loader washing machine. It's semi-automatic, so you basically do half of the work and it does the other half. Yeah. So well, it does the most. Oh, let me not. I appreciate you, my dear washing machine. So nimeweka maji, nimeweka omo, and this is my blanket. These are the ninis. Just a minute. As we were, so these knobs are the functions we use for the washing machine. So we have this tap that brings the water into the machine, and then we have this knob ndio inafanya the cycle huku ndani. This is like basically the timer, and then this knob ni normal or and gentle. So gentle basically I use it when I'm washing my baby's clothes. Normal ni sasa nguo zetu plus blanket. Hiyo sasa ni how can I put it, ndio inafua zile nguo mzito, inafua hizi nguo light. And then okay, that's called the wash selector. And then this knob, when it is hapa kwa wash, it means maji imeblokia, so haitaenda, kwa hivyo itawash vizuri. The moment you turn it to drain, maji inatoka, like the water flows out. And then this knob is for this area. It's for the spin cycle. It's where it's basically the dryer. Oh, this is it's the dryer where I dry my clothes. So this is the knob that is used for hapa. So let us begin. Niwash hapo, but first let us see pale units zangu zinasoma how. Let's see, come on, 11.78. So imesema 11.78. Tumewasha ndio nguo yetu. So hapo ndio tuna turn here. I'm going to fanya na like I think 6 is okay. 6 minutes is okay. The timer is in minutes. So inafanya the cycle ioshe, and we will be back after 6 minutes. So 6 minutes are over. Imagine chafu, god damn. So what I'll do, I'll drain the water. Kuna mahali, okay, our system ya kudrain maji iko hapa, lakini we notice tukiweka pipe hapo haiendi kozini, yetu iko juu. So tuliweka kwa this other drainage option, maji inaenda. So we'll be back once it is done draining. Naona maji yote inaenda. So as you can see, maji yote imeisha. So we're going to do this side. This side looks like this just for kuring manguo. So we're going to turn this back to wash, because if you don't, the moment umefungua hii maji itaenda ikiendanga, so lazima urudi ufungulie maji. So maji ndio hii natokea hapo. Yeah, so we'll have to wait mpaka ijae, and then we do the second cycle. Sasa bado nitaongezea omo, cause kama uliona maji ilikuwa very dirty, so I have to weka nini omo again so that I can be sure it's going to be clean, at least ikuwe safi so that it can be clean. Yeah, so let's wait. So the water is already like ishaja. Kwa hivyo ndachukua my omo and then my washing powder. Right. So here's my washing powder. By the way, do we assume all washing powders in omo? Is it because we like tumelelewa hizo ndio zile brand zilianza, you know? So hizo zingine zikikuja we just really stick to omo. So anyway, there goes my washing powder. And now we okay, most times napenda kufanya hivi. Ndio huko ndani. Ninafunga maji vizuri mkono wangu. Close my hand, close that, and then I that 6 minutes. Because it's heavy, it takes time to rotate and do the thing. But that is what happens. With blankets, that when the water is minimal, okay, well, not really minimal, with blankets it sucks in a lot of water. So you remember when we started, the water was up at you, but now already shut back with blanket, soak in the water. So let's see if we add more water. See, it's still busy with hard water, and it's so it's trying to let me out juu inaleta juu inaleta chini, but yeah, that's how the cycle goes. So we're gonna leave that and then we'll get back later. So this is the final rinse. I'm sorry, my phone ilianza kuleta shida, but nobody can stop reggae. So the first wash was with washing powder and the water was dirty, so we drained that, put more water for the second. We put the second cycle with washing powder, drained it. I put the first water for rinsing, rinsed twice. I did circle, what do I call it, the cycle twice for the first rinse, drained it, and then so this is the second water for rinsing, the second cycle. Sawa, yeah. And it's almost done. So while I was rinsing, I took my timer button to 9. So it's been rinsing for the past this is the second time, so for like 12 minutes now, because the first cycle I did 9, the second cycle with the second rinse na niko karibu kumaliza. So yeah, we're just going to wait for that to finish and then we'll get back. This bulb, I love it. I love the, what's that thing called, the holder. I really love it. I bought it at 600 shillings. Was it 600? No, 1,000 shillings. Yeah. So drop your comment down below and tell me what you think about that light. I love it. I really loved it. I wanted something simple for this area. So when you switch that off, that's how it looks like, and I really love it. So yeah, comment down below, tell me what you think about my laundry space. I've already arranged my tissues. That is how my laundry space looks like. I got that from a friend of ours. It was a wedding present. You know yourself, Miss Alice, thank you so much. We appreciate. I love portraits of African culture, African women, African, anything African I love. I really love. So yeah, I'll do like a small video of this area of mine baadaye. So anyways, now we're almost off. Let's just wait. while at that, I'm going to drain my water. As you can see, my water is clean, so it got to sour. And then never forget to switch off your machine. So my socket, our electrician alituwekea ile socket mzuri, sijui aliita nini, lakini si the kawaida socket. It's meant for a washing machine. So when you're going to get yourself a socket, get one that can hold I don't know, just talk to your electrician, he will advise or she will advise. So we're going to drain that water. Draining doesn't require electricity. So as we're waiting for the water to drain, let's go see how much token it has consumed. 11:27. So it's 11:27, but I would say it was at 11:33 because when my phone started having issues, I had to stop to fix it so that I can continue shooting, but nikaona it will take a lot of time. So after like 10 minutes, I continued with the laundry, so with washing of the blanket. So while I was doing the first let's say if I had not taken so much time waiting to fix my phone and get it can I say back to shape so that it can record, it would have used less. We would have seen a small change in the use of tokens, because when I checked before upper 11:27, it was at 11:33, 11.33. So 11 units, and then this 33 ingine tutaitaje micro units mama. But as you can see, it has not even used a whole unit. It hasn't. So, and let's assume we've just done one load of laundry, and you see, when it comes to children's like baby clothes, you don't do how can I put it, cycle C long, like you don't do like say venye nimefanya 6 minutes or 9 minutes. The only time you do that is when the clothes are extremely dirty. But most of the time during this cold season, my daughter has always been in the house, so her clothes sana her cycle goes for like 3 to 6 minutes at most, because there are times my nanny can take her out to play, so obviously with the crawling outside atachafua manguo, so generally her clothes go for till 6 minutes. But as for my son, well, his clothes have to go till 9 minutes or more. There are times, my goodness, moms with boys, you understand. So as for our clothes, they also don't get too dirty, so we usually go for like 6 to 9 minutes. Depends with how dirty the clothes are. The dirty they are, the longer the cycle, but the less dirty they are, the shorter the cycle. So imagine if you have a shorter cycle, it means you're not going to use much token. So do not be afraid to embrace a washing machine because you're afraid it's going to take up a lot more tokens than you thought or anticipated. This is not a heater. It's going to make your work easier. It's going to make everybody's work easier, even for your nanny, by the way, because you see, when she's doing a load, she can be doing other things, and once she's done with the house chores, she can have time to play with your baby, because your baby at the end of the day also needs someone who is going to, chezesha them, play with them, engage them. Sio kila wakati ati it's cartoon kwa TV, it's not even healthy kuwashindisha kwa TV. So I'd say it's going to help a lot. It's going to come in handy. This is not a paid promotion. I'm just trying to show you that this can make your work easier. And the benefit of this 11 kg ni kubwa, so it can wash a blanket. But of course, it can't wash 2 blankets at a go. especially the heavy duvets, it washes one at a go. But this other small blankets, it can wash 2 to 3 blankets, which makes even it easier for you. So I hope you embrace it, and I hope you liked this video. Comment down below what you think. If you have a different opinion, I would really like to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.